Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is cheap electric skateboard learn to use in 5 minutes land surfboard daily transportation surfing practice casual dating electric longboard. Sturdy deck. The skateboard uses 1 layer of glass fiber, 3 layers of carbonized bamboo, 1 layer of glass. The board surface has good toughness, bearing capacity, and waterproof performance. The board is strong enough to withstand the maximum weight of 150 kg. Electric skateboard basic parameters. The 𝐂𝐴𝐵 longboards designed with dual wheel hub motor and 600 W per motor. The skateboards reached a maximum speed of 25 mph and climbed at a 30%. 9.6 A strong endurance battery pack. High-performance battery charging takes only 2-3 hours. 40 kilometers battery range. Stay in control. 1-click start-stop. Reliable and safe smoother control. Learn to drive in 1 minute. Fast and slow speed can be switched freely. 4 different speed mode. L/M/H/P. No matter you are a novice or a professional rider, you can have fun. The display's real-time speed and power status. Safe riding. It's equipped with 2 tail lights which will flash when you are braking, make it safer to drive at night. Of course, the light can be on all the time. Important tips. All accessories are included in the packages including remote, charger, tools. There is a certain risk in electric skateboards. Please strictly follow the local traffic regulations. Children should be accompanied by adults. Thank you for your understanding. Please be aware that our electric skateboards contain lithium batteries. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen2gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.